Hey guys, that game was really fun.
Yeah, that was really fun. Yeah, but not for me. You killed me in the first minute. Oh. Hey, don't laugh. It's not funny. Hey, but I don't understand. Hey, Black, what actually did you? How did you kill Blue? Yeah, how did you kill him? Please, tell us the story. Okay, I'll think. Yeah. What happened is... what's happening here? Oh, hey. Hey, what's that sound? Who is there? Who is there? What's that sound? Hey, who's there? What's that? Oh no, what's happening? What is that? Oh, that was really funny. That was really funny. Oh. Stop laughing. It's not funny. Really, that last game was fun. Really, that was fun. All except for me. Okay guys, now let's look at the new updated map. DPG is always updating the map. The map is totally upgraded. Really. Yeah. Okay, let's look at the map. Okay guys, this is a newly updated map. Hey, where'd you get that scale from? Oh, it was lying in the corner. Okay. These are the engines. And the new update is that there's a lake. And there's med bay, admins, electricals, reactor, storage. Oh, storage. Okay. New task. Storage. We need to complete the fueling task. We need to take the fuel from this lake area here to here. And the new updated truck stations are here, here. Okay. Then there's the cam area. This area. Cam scans this area. Okay. If you're an imposter, these will be your nightmares. Okay, these are the guns and the weapons. This is spray valve, door vent, shortcut timers. These are timer shortcuts. Special places like cafeteria, shields, communications. It's asteroids, truck stations, store washes. This is fuel. This is the lake. This is the fire from engines. That's the lake. Okay, this is the cam area. This is the cam scanning area. Okay, this is the map. Okay. Okay, so who are wait. Are you crewmates? Yeah, all of us are crewmates. Okay, I know somebody of you are lying. Okay, back to the map. Okay. Our plan is to there's a boat at the lake. There's a boat, a big ship, a good ship. We need to take the ship to here, collect everything and head to the truck. Here, we'll go from here, shortcut. Maybe, I don't know whether the truck fits here. Okay, here. Next, here, this area. Here, then we can straight go to the storage by walk. A short walk. Okay, so that's the fueling task. Okay, who's gonna do it?
I'll do it, Red.
Hey, Pee-Pee. You're gonna do that task? It's very dangerous. You're carrying lots of explosive. It's fuel. It's the engines. It's a fuel for the engines. It's very dangerous. No problem. I can handle it. Okay. Anyway, even if you die, we can meet at the next game. Yeah. High five. High five. Okay, we reached our destination. We reached the map. The spaceship is gonna land. Okay. Let's meet at the cafeteria. Oh, I'm getting scared. I know I'm the imposter. No, I can't kill anyone. Okay, first I'll test this gun out. You can do this, Green. Okay, go. Oh, there's lots of gunpowder on the ground. Oh, this murky water. It's so irritating. Lots of matchsticks on the ground. It's just two-story. Oh. Hey, what's that sound? Hey! Oh no, what's happening? Oh, what's happening? Oh no. Oh no, the boat's on fire. It's on fire. No. Oh no. Side's going on fire. Fire. Help. Oh my god, I hit it. I hit the boat. Oh no. I like Red. I don't want to kill him. No. Oh, let's escape from here. Oh no, it's getting spread. No, what to do? I don't know what to do. This fire is getting spread. No. Oh no. It's going to the fuel. It's gonna blast. No, it's gonna blast. No. Oh no. No. Hey Black, are you the imposter? No, man. Okay. Hey, I heard a sound from there. It was few minutes earlier. I didn't know. Hey, what's that smell? It smell like smoke. Hey, what's that sound? Oh no, man. Oh no. Pee-pee is killed. Oh, that ship blasted. The ship sunk. Oh no. Hey, there's still a bunch of fuel up there. Let's take one. Okay, come on, let's press the emergency button. Let's call for a meeting. We need to find who did that to PP. Hey guys, we saw the ship burning. It sank. It sank the lake, and PP is dead. Oh no, poor PP. Hey guys, I'm the imposter. Please vote me out. Hey, shut up, Green. No imposter will claim himself to be the imposter. You're lying. You're supporting someone else. Who is the imposter? Guys, trust me. I'm the imposter. Vote me out. Shut up.
Hey, the screen is lying. He's not the imposter.
Please believe me, guys, I'm the imposter. Shut up. Okay, now we didn't see anyone close to the area. So, did any of you saw anyone going inside a van or killing someone? Some sort of a clue? I didn't see anyone. Me too. Hey guys, I saw pink. Dark pink close to the vending area. It was really close. Yeah, me too. I too saw her near the vending area. I vote pink. My vote's on pink.
I vote pink.
Me too. I vote pink. I vote pink.
I vote pink.
Me too. Oh, guys, don't vote me out. I'm not the imposter. Please, no.